Hi, I'm Ronnie from Rhode Island Iron Works. Today we're out here in Burrilliville, Rhode Island at the Burrilliville High School finishing up an ADA railing. The ADA railing goes up a ramp into the grandstands. It's parallel to the new football field, which you'll see later. What we're doing today is we're putting on a final finish coat of paint. All the welding, all the installation, everything's been done. But now that final coat of paint ties everything together, makes it look like one brand new unit. We like to do that because it just looks good. Thank you. Okay.
Better? I cut that perfect, if I do say myself. Cameras are so good you can shoot a movie on.
Place. These are base shoes. We use these to cover the hole opening after we drill it into the cement. These are the base shoes. We have to tape them up. We then drop them down after the cement work is done. These are the cores that came out of the cement after we drill them. In this case, we have to drill a 2.5 inch hole. Alan's mixing the high strength cement.
Yeah, don't give them the secrets.
Alan is pouring the high strength cement into the hole. This will make a permanent bond that will last a lifetime. Hi, it's Ronnie from Rhode Island Iron Works again. We drilled the holes, dropped the railing inside the holes, and we cemented them in with high strength cement. Now we're doing some fine tuning, and then we're setting up our heater with a plenum that directs heat to each post. This helps aid in the hardening of the cement because it's about 35 degrees today. We wanted to give it a little bit of help. Thanks. Yeah. This is a heater with a plenum on it with individual hoses that direct heat to the post. This helps harden the cement in colder weather. Works quite well. As follows, applying the first coat of the final layer of paint. Brings everything together, makes it consistent. Beautiful, brand new football field out here in Burrilliville, Rhode Island. They did a fantastic job. An investment in the future for our students. Hi, Ronnie again. Well, we just finished up this ADA railing for the football field at Burrilliville High School. It came out fantastic. I think everybody involved is going to love it. I'm going to shoot going up and down the railing so you can see a better view of it. But this one's done and on to the next job.